everyone, we are in day 37. That is, we are going to discuss the real world applications and case studies. So, we'll be exploring a case study, okay, the one case study, and we'll be discussing about the best practices in implementation and user training, future trends and updates, how to be updated in the future trainings. Okay, so that is future trends and updates. So, if you go to Business Central, this is the business central view. Okay, so this is the business central page. You can see that you have two case study which is given here, and it's not limited to, okay, so there are various case studies under business central. So these are the success stories, okay, so how they are transforming into the business central. So here I have just chosen the two basic case studies. Okay, so the nuclear research. Okay, so how they have, this is the highest one, analyst research, and apart from this you can see various success stories here. Okay, so let us see the first one. So if I click on the nuclear research, you can see this is break into new markets with business central. So this is the complete case study, so you can find that how business central has improved the efficiencies. So this case study, which is a break into new markets with Business Central, is centered around a small and mid-sized SMBs in various industries, with a particular focus on a sustainability non-profit and a drive technology provider. After using Business Central, okay, they have increased the productivity to 12% in project handling productivity and saved up to 12 hours per month per user. Okay, they have also reduced operational cost, saving of rupees dollar 12, sorry, not rupee, it's dollar 12 to dollar 15 per invoice, where reports reported due to automation and reduced labor. So they have enhanced business agility, so companies were able to respond to market changes more effectively, with one customer breaking into the electric vehicle industry 4 times faster than anticipated. And they have improved user experience, the unified user interface and no code UI simplified operations and reduced the need for technical expertise. So this is what the thing, which this is the importance, like how they have increased themselves. So these data you can find typical benefits. Okay, apart from this you can also see the success stories here. Just click on this, it will take you to the read story. You can read the complete story about the customer, like what they have learned, okay, what they achieved thanks to Microsoft Dynamics 365. We can easily work toward peaks in several time. So you can learn about Kambuka, how they have increased their productivity, what is the importance of Dynamics 365 here. So this will be useful for you to showcase and learn more about the Business Central, and you can present the key points to the customers to whom you are discussing with. Okay, so you can see more similar stories like this, okay, like shaping the future. So you can see a few more case studies, like the business moves so fast, our market moves so fast. So everything about a Business Central. So this is what the case study. So you have various case studies here, so you get learn this. Okay, so this is the one. And talking about the best practices for implementing Business Central, which is like thorough planning. Thorough planning is very, very important. Of course, we all know that you have to start with the detailed planning and analysis. We have to begin with a comprehensive needs analysis and define specific goals. You have to develop a strategic implementation roadmap that aligns with your business processes and objectives. And you have to ensure the data management, that is, prioritize data cleanliness and organization. Plan for data migration with attention to detail, ensuring data integrity and minimizing downtime. And the important thing is what customization and integration. So the another important thing is like customize Business Central to align with unique business needs. Ensure seamless integration with existing systems such as CRM or e-commerce platforms to enhance functionality and data flow. Next one is the user training. This is another important thing, user training. Okay, so that is an important here. So user training is what you have to provide a comprehensive training to the user, because they have to adopt it effectively. Okay, and like you have to develop a robust training program for all users to ensure smooth adoption. You have to focus on change management to help the staff adopt to the new system as well. And continuous monitoring and support, this is another one. Regular updates, you have to be keen in supporting them, and you have to be there for the regular updates and supports. So these are the best practices. So I have created the implementation checklist, the project planning, the requirement analysis, data preparation and migration, system configuration, integration, user training, testing, and everything. So what is the so far we have discussed more than 12 checklists, okay, throughout this training. So I have crafted all these 41 days boot camp as a book. Okay, I will be releasing it soon. You can pre-order in Amazon. I can also share the link. You can find the link in the description. Okay, so this is all about the implementation checklist. And the next one is user training. Okay, best practices in Microsoft user training is what tailored training program. So tailored training program, in the sense like you have to customize training to meet the specific needs of different user groups. So what is that? So the roles in the organization may differ. Okay, you have to ensure that each user group receives relevant and focused instructions, making the learning process more efficient. The second one is hands-on training. This approach emphasizes practical experience. Users learn by doing, which helps in better retention of the information and understanding how to apply it in the real world scenario. And the next one is the real data use real data. So training with actual data that the user will work with daily makes the learning process more relevant and easier to grasp. So for example, if you're giving training to the manufacturing industry, but you are showing the HR data, so this may not be relevant to them, right? So it also helps in understanding the system's impact on their to everyday's activity. Next one is what the continuous learning. So you should always offer, like, technology and business processes evolve. So ongoing training sessions are crucial for keeping user updated on new features and best practices. And the foremost thing is like a feedback mechanism. You have to get the feedback from the user, which helps to continuously improve the training process. It also ensures that the training remains effective and relevant to the user's needs. The next one is support resources. So support resources is providing easy access to training material, manual, and online resources which assist users in learning at their own pace and offer support when they encounter challenges. And finally, it's a regular assessment. So conducting regular assessment helps in measuring the effectiveness of the training and understanding areas where users might need additional help. So these are the user training checklist as well. So I have given the user training checklist here. Yes, so tomorrow, yeah, one more topic which we have left is what future trends and updates, right? So future trends, you can see the future trends in the Microsoft documentation. So this link, I'll just share it. So here you can see what's new planned for Dynamics 365. So October 23 is over, but you can also see about the 2024 updates as well. Okay, so you can find it here. See, this is in Jan 2024, and you can also see here, okay, Feb 2024, what they have planned for. So this is SMB. In SMB, you can see what's new planned. Okay, and you can also see the release schedule here. Okay, this is the link where you can find the release schedule. So this also I will share it with you. These are the ebook resources which I have prepared for the Business Central community, and also for I'll be preparing for Power Apps, Power BI, and everything. Okay, so here you can find that you have various ebooks references. These are all the ebooks. Okay, AL Mastery in 3 weeks, which I have covered the complete information about AL Mastery. That is, we have discussed about the 21 days AL programming challenge. And this is Microsoft Mastering Business Central Functional Consultant. This is a Q&A, that is interview question and answers for between beginners to intermediate level, that is 2 to 5 years. So 0 to 5 years, that is beginners to 2 to 5 years. So this is for functional consultant, and this is for the AL programming. Okay, this 100 plus, nearly I think it will be 120 plus questions which will cover the entire AL programming. This is the interview question and answers for AL programming, which is based on this particular book. Okay, and this is a interview question and answers for business central developers. So this is a part 1 which I have curated for the freshers. Okay, so part 2 will be for the intermediate level, and part 3 will be for the advanced level. I'm creating that, so please stay tuned. And this is for the 20 must have checklist for the functional consultants. What are the checklist you should have, whatever I am covering in the video. Okay, so this book will be provided for free for the members who are there with me from the day 1 towards the day 41. And they should be interacting with me often with the exercises and everything. Okay, so they'll be getting this 20 checklist. And if you are not a member but you wanted to get the checklist, you can buy it from here. Okay, so this is the complete ebook content, like this ebook collection. I'll be updating this every month. Okay, and if you have any queries, if you wanted to connect with me, you can connect with me through this particular topmed account. So here you can connect, and like if you have any queries, if you want any specific doubts you want to deal with, if you are a fresher in business central, if you want to know more about it, then you can definitely schedule a call with me. Okay, anything. So what all these things, all these links I have given in the description, so you can find these things in the description. So this is a schedule a call with me, business central ebooks, that is ebook resources. So here you can find it, so please don't forget to watch this. Okay, and this is the 41 days channel, that is a 41 days functional consultants bootcamp playlist, you can check here. So the tutorial can be viewed by everyone, but the exercises and solutions are only available for the members. Okay, so I'll like, you can just continue with the today's topic. I will tell you more about each and every book, like what is this book. I'll just release a separate video for every book individual. And yeah, we have also discussed the checklist for the implementation and the user training. So two checklist. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss about the exercise for day 38, and also solution. Exactly the same solution I cannot give, but I will tell you how to find the solution. Take care. If you have any doubts, please let me know. If you want to see the exercise, you have to be a member, so please join as a member. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.